$111,000, almost $112,000. The question is, what happened next? Will we keep going? Will we go to 120, 150, 200? Like so many people are saying, oh, will we have a massive crash? I will talk about this. And I have a $10,000 bonus for you from the sponsor of today's show, BTCC Exchange. Very interesting exchange. You can trade a lot of different assets here, and you can also get a Lambo. And this is what I showed you in the title. It's not a giveaway. It's not like, oh yeah, you trade and maybe eventually you get a Lambo. No, this is your Lambo. If you reach the volume, you will get the Lambo. You just say, hey, I want my Lambo, you get it. It's not a giveaway. So you can earn this Lambo. I think you have some very skilled traders out there that could be interested to get this Lambo. But as of now, let's jump right into the content. Let's see Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is retracing. And now the question is, okay, will we have, oh, that's a total mess here. Will we have just a brutal move to the downside, or will we keep going? So I think we should, first of all, look at the volume, Let's look at the volume. Let's look at the daily volume. Sorry for so much lines here on the chart, but you can see that the volume here is picking up. So we have a good volume confirmation in this move to the upside. But as we reach the all-time high and we are now retracing, I think that we now will have a move to the downside, and I can tell you why I think this. If you see it like, well, let me change this here, from an Elliott wave structure point of view, then, okay, let's try, let's see, maybe, oh yeah, I don't. So here you can see that we have on a daily chart a very, very, very nice move. Very nice move to the upside. And if you count Elliott wave count, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And now the 5. Number 5, or maybe you can also count it. I'm not an Elliott wave specialist. There are people that can do it much, much better, like my friend Cohen's Trading. If you want to learn about Elliott wave count, Elliott wave theory, go follow him, Cohen's Trading. So what I see here is more or less 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, and maybe this could be already the ABC, and we can see a move to the downside. So now, oh, we're pumping again. Oh yes, I didn't saw this. I sold yesterday on 109. I thought, okay, we will go down from here, but yeah, we're still pumping. So that's the question. Let me know in the charts. What do you think? Let me see here in the charts. Is there anybody? Hello. Yes. What do you think? Do you think that we will keep going, or will we have a massive crash? That's the question. Okay, here my coffee. Very tasty. Let's have a look at some other metrics. For example, the Bitcoin dominance. You can see that the Bitcoin dominance is going down and down and down and down. So what does this mean? This does mean that people actually sell Bitcoin, okay? They sell Bitcoin and they buy into other coins. Why? Because they say, oh, we're at an all-time high. There's so many people that bought last time in the all-time high. Somebody have to buy in the all-time high, otherwise we could not reach this price. There have to be people that purchased on this price, and now they are happy. They say, oh yeah, I have my money back. I want to go out, They don't understand Bitcoin, obviously, but many people are, you cannot manipulate this, okay? The Bitcoin dominance is going down. That means that even if you see Bitcoin going up and up and up and up, people are selling Bitcoin and moving the money into other Bitcoins. Oh, sorry. No, it's the USDT dominance, and this is a very, very, very good sign that this USDT dominance, sorry for that, goes down. Why? Because whenever we had here a move to the upside, if we have a move to the upside and the dominance goes up, what does it mean? If people want or have more USDT, it's because they sell assets. Okay, they sell assets. So the Bitcoin dominance, yeah, it was on a good move to the downside, but now it's going back up. But you see here the volume, the selling volume is really, really rising. So if you want to see an altcoin season, you must see this breaking to the downside, okay? Okay. Yeah, here in Grayscale, you can see also, yeah, interesting. Total, what's the total market cap? Total market cap is 3.46 billion. We are also, I think we're an all-time high. No, we're not an all-time high. But yeah, we are entering into the banana zone. I'm telling you, we are entering into the banana zone. If you watch my channel, if you watch my videos, then you know here, once we broke this was exactly on the 18th of April, prices are going up. People are bringing, new money is flowing into the market. New money, okay? Total cap 2 also. Okay, this is all the market cap, excluding Bitcoin. So people are buying also altcoins. Okay, and this is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can see that along the line, we have people buying crypto. New money is coming into crypto. Now, the DXY, and this is very good, the DXY, the Dollar Strange Index, is going down massively. So people distrust the dollar, and not distrust the dollar, but they are investing money now in risk on assets. Okay, so S&P 500 going very nice to the upside, and gold is going down. Gold is going down. Oh, Bitcoin is pumping now. Bitcoin is pumping, friends. Wow, amazing. We are again on 11,250. I think that we will have a crash. I don't know, what do you think? Put me a comment. It is now almost 4 o'clock here in Dubai. Okay, let me see. Yeah, by the way, I don't know where you are, from where you are watching, but go to YouTube and follow me here, German Trader English in YouTube, and you can get also there all the links. I have a lot of educational videos here. How to use RSI, trend lines, use trend lines for profitable trading, leverage trading, explained for beginners, a trading strategy. So yeah, you can find a lot of good videos. Okay, here is Mahendra Singh Rabat. How are you, my friend, from YouTube? If you see me from any other platform, yeah, please tell me. Let me know. Okay. Let me check. 1 second, please. And I will show you now exactly how you can get your Lambo. Do you want a Lambo? Put me into the charts here. Who wants a Lambo? Who wants a Lambo? Lamborghini. You can get this Lamborghini. It's not a giveaway, I'm telling you. It's so good, Spanish latte. A friend told me about Spanish latte, and oh wow, I'm seeing here Bitcoin reached exactly a level that I marked out and is going down from now. And what do we have here? Yeah, okay, I'm looking for people. I want to create a team. I need people. I need a good video editor. I need a good graphic designer. I need a community manager. I need a social media strategist, and I need a researcher, a content researcher. So if you want to work like this, but you need to be experienced in this, otherwise this makes no sense, and I can do it myself. Okay, please put me a comment, send me a message on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, yeah, you should follow me. Let's see the liquidation levels. I will show you the liquidation levels. So what I think, there is somebody saying, and I really want to bring this up here, that there are a lot of liquidations on 120,000. I cannot see these liquidations here. Okay, so yeah, sorry, but I don't see any liquidations 120,000. So look, what you have to understand now, here's almost everything liquidated. Look, here was a good liquidation. Oh, 122 million. So you have to understand that now it doesn't make sense to go higher, to push higher for the whales, for the market makers. Why? Because there's nobody short anymore. I think all the shorts are liquidated, and nobody would short. Yeah, there are still people that short. I think it's more likely that we go for this liquidity here for 100,000. I would be happy. I can trade. Yeah, by the way, look here. This is BTCC Exchange. Amazing platform. Here, very good user experience. Very easy to use. You can use copy trading, spot trading. Here, all the benefits. You can even be affiliate. Okay, so here in futures, you have all the pairs that you have in any other exchange also. So it's really amazing to use, very easy to use. For example, here, here you put the price. Okay, I want to buy for 100. I want to buy for 110,000. Okay, I want to buy 1 Bitcoin. Okay, and then you simply click on buy. I'm here, have to register or to log in. But it's a very, very functional exchange. Okay, you could do, as I said, copy trading. You can do demo trading. You can just go and have a demo account and test it out. Here they have the proof of reserves. So yeah, I found it very, very, very interesting. And there's also the possibility, they have an academy, live chat support. Yeah, I will do a review about this exchange, and I will show you in a second. In a second, I will show you how you can get a Lambo. How can you get your Lambo? Let's see what's going on here. This is something that few people know about. Yeah, it looks still good. So I think the market is still kind of healthy. S&P 500 also going down a little bit. The S&P 500 have still room to the upside. 6,131 was a little bit higher. So there is still room to go. Anybody, any question? If you have a question, just follow me on Twitter. Go to Twitter and follow me, send me a message. I have people, they are answering this. Oh, you cannot. Okay. Let me see if I can enter to Twitter and show you my Twitter account, because This is very important because like in the Twitter account, you can very, very easy contact me. Okay, let me try. Ask me any question. If you want to know something, ask me. Okay, no, it's not working, No problem. Yeah, let me know. And I will show you now what I promised you. Look here. I will take the camera away. Look, you can here get, if you have 250,000, you get a $30 future bonus. If your trading volume is 1 million, you get BitFit Pro, okay? You get a PlayStation 5 if you have 5 million trading volume. 20 million, you get a bracelet from Tiffany. 30 million trading volume, you get a MacBook Air. 50 million, you get an Apple Vision. Wow, that's cool. 50 million, it's not so much. 100 million, you get a Rolex watch. Oh, I go for this Rolex watch, man. And you can get even a Tesla for 200 million. I know people that trade for 200 million. And if you have 1 billion trading volume, 1 billion, you get a Lamborghini Urus. A Lamborghini Urus. This is amazing. This is so cool. Yeah, let's do it. Let's trade. Let's trade and let's make some money here with BTCC. As I told you, will do an review, a dedicated video, and I will show you all the options. I will show you the step-by-step how you can use this platform. I think it's an amazing platform. And yeah, if you have any question, any doubt, let me know. Look here, you have to see 4:30. I want to be on the trading desk because there is some impact news. I think this could impact very much. Okay, unemployment claims, because yeah, there are people normally expecting some market volatility, and also the flash manufacturing PMI flash. Yeah, I think you have to take this into account. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's see again, what is Bitcoin doing? Let's say BTC USDT. Do they have their own? No, cannot get it from there. Okay, then let's yeah, let's try this. Oh, we're pumping. Yeah, so what should we do? Should we open a long trade? Oh man, what happened here? Why? Oh, that's the 1 minute. Oh, that's the daily chart. Okay. Let's see on the 5 minute chart. Okay, well, not so much pumping anymore. Yeah, but it looks still good. It looks for me something like here, a bull flag, maybe like this, you know, we're breaking out, confirming. This volume, I don't like the volume, and look how much volume, but there's so much selling volume. Imagine so much selling volume and the price barely moves to the downside. What does this mean? It does mean that there are a lot of limit orders buying up this massive volume candle, you know. That's what I would say. If you want me to have a look at any altcoin, let me know in the charts. Let me know in the... Hola, Martin. Hello, how are you? Okay, yeah. So you have here in the description a link from BTCC. Register, you can get also some bonus. You can get up to $10,000 in bonus. You can get a Lamborghini, a Rolex. You can get a lot of things. So just register, make sure you get your bonus, and let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. I would be cautionful. I would not open a long and I would not open a short. Why? because we are like, now we're in uncharted territory. We are in no man's land, you know. So nobody can tell you, oh, okay, that's a good moment to buy, a good moment to sell. Buy. We are like in the middle of nowhere. Or there's no point that can tell you, oh yeah, this was a resistance, this was a support, oh, this might be an interesting level. The one and only thing you could use here is Elliott wave count, and Fibonacci. You know, Elliott wave count and Fibonacci. But let's do it like this, okay? Let's take Fibonacci extension. Okay, so the next level that I see here is 124, man. Okay, so what I think what will gonna happen is that we will trap people here. Okay, people will now say, oh, we're going to the moon. Yeah, sure. Okay, so what I think that's gonna happen is we will trap people here, and here you see it very good. You can see it very good, the 5-wave structure. Okay, like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5. As I told you, for Cohen's trading, he's a very, very skilled, very professional trader and Elliott wave count, Elliott wave trader, and he can show you exactly how is the count, what is the possible outcome. But for me, it looks like we could have a retrace at least here to this level, you know, because it was, now I can tell you this was a resistance. We had a lot of volume traded here, you know. So what I think is that we could come back to this zone 97,896, and from then maybe we go down here. Okay, then we go up again, and then everybody say, oh, now we go to 120, and boom, then we're going down. I don't think that we will see in 2025 the top of the market. And yes, I know the people say, oh no, it was always like this, the second year after the halving, or the year after the halving. Yeah, but time change. I'm pretty sure that we will not see the top in 2025. I think we will see now a move to the downside, and we will see in 2026 a massive move to the upside. But okay, you know, I'm not a fortune teller, I'm a trader. I look for probabilities. Okay, yeah, that's all. I have to go now. I have to prepare for trading. As I told you, please, friends, take advantage of this. Again, this is not a trading or a giveaway. This is not a giveaway. It is, you will get this. If you reach this volume, you will get this. Okay. So please, friends, if you want the Lambo, let's say you have $1 million. There are people that are trading with $1 million, okay? And you open a 5x leverage position. Then you have $5 million, okay? If you do 20 trades, then you have $100 million. 5 trades, 100 million. If you do 50 trades, then you have 1 billion. Means if you trade with 1 million with a 5x leverage, you do 2 trades a day, and you have this even a less time. Okay, so yeah, maybe you don't have $1 million to trade, but maybe you have 10,000, 5,000, whatever, then you can get this nice gift. Okay, thank you very much. Here in the link and in the pinned comment, you will find the link for BTCC Amazing Exchange. You will get a 10% deposit bonus, and as I showed you, you can win a Rolex, a Lambo, whatever. In the next days, I will publish more videos about how to trade on the exchange, also some interesting trading strategies. And yeah, hope you liked it. If it's like this, share it, put me a comment, tell me what you would like me to talk about in the next videos, in the next live stream. Should I make more videos? Should I make more live streams? I have also a very interesting meme coin project, even if it's not really like a meme coin. It's something, it's a mix between meme coin and NFT. Very interesting. I will talk about this in the next video or live stream, even in a video. Maybe today I will upload a video. And yeah, thank you very much. Take very much care of your crypto. See you tomorrow, and happy new time. Happy